Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through how to get funnel.io data from all of your advertising platforms into Google Data Studio. So if we go into Google Data Studio here, we want to create a new report. And I'm just going to call this Growth TV funnel.io demo. Cool. Okay. So we want to create a new data source. If we go create a new data source, and we just type in here funnel. Just click select. You can see funnel has over 400 marketing data sources. There's connectors into lots of different things. We can do a bigger demo on funnel at some point, but just for now, I'm going to presume that you understand what it does, and you're probably using it on some of your clients at least through Spotlight. So what I'm going to go is I'm going to go into the Ladder IO account, and what it's telling me I need is the funnel account ID, funnel API key, and the currency. Cool. So if I go to API, so I got the token. That's there, and the account ID. It's here, and then the currency for this is US dollars. You can do a few things here. So one is add a field name suffix. So, for example, it'll come through as conversions, AdWords, conversions, Facebook. I'm going to tick that because it'll make it easier to read. And then exclude calculated metrics. So we're going to keep the calculated metrics here. Okay, click connect. Cool. So here's everything that's pulled through. You can see there's lots and lots of metrics. Just so we understand which metrics we want to look at, let's go back into here. We can see what metrics we're using. Let's go into the actual dashboards and see what we have set up. Okay, campaigns cost. Okay, so there we go. From 31st of January to 31st of March, we spent $100 in here. This looks like actually maybe the data is not updated. So let's just click into here, data sources. This all looks good. Okay, it's just LinkedIn that failed to connect, so we can ignore that. And let's say we want to pull in our Google spend and our Facebook spend. You can also pull in things like MailChimp, Quora, Twitter, etc. Cool. So let's go add to report. Now I want to draw a table, and I want that to use the funnel IO source. Here we go. Have campaign and cost. Cool. So now we have cost by campaign across all of our marketing campaigns. We can add another dimension here. So we could say channel. There we go. Now it's broken down by channel. We can actually, I think, rearrange these like this. And then let's add a date control. So just going to add that there. And then I'm going to say I want to default this to, I don't know, this month. Cool. Apply. Great. We can also do a comparison date range. So let's say previous period. There we go. So now we can see the delta, percentage increase or decrease month on month. So these campaigns, decreased by 50%. This Facebook campaign increased by 17%. We can also, if we don't want to look at the campaign breakdown, get rid of that and then just have performance by channel here. Cool. Okay, so that should give you a good idea of how to use funnel. There's obviously much more you can do with this. You can create time series. You can pull in lots of different metrics like conversion. Here we go. We're tracking spend over time. You can do cool things like cumulative. For example, if I go, this is on sum right now. Let's just say. No, sorry, it's here. So style, cumulative. There we go. So now I can see, where my spend is at. So there's lots you can do. But this should give you a basic idea of how you connect funnel IO data into Google Data Studio. And you see that it's very quick. This only took 6 minutes. Feel free to mess around with this. You can also use the sample data if you want. But you guys should be able to figure out what you're doing.